Hi, this is Amanda, and I am the sales rep over at New Southbridge. I'm here to give you all a sneak peek today of our Metcalf home. This is a move-in ready home with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a nice open floor plan. It is just over 1,700 square feet, listed at the price of $258,000, a price that you can't beat. So let's check it out. So before I take you all inside, I just wanted to show you the beautiful exterior of this home. It's got some great coastal colors. That blue is just wonderful. It has some extra storage space, as you can see, to the left of the front door. And to the right of the home, there will be no home built, so it's very private. Okay, let's go on inside. Upon entry, we have our powder room. And then we come into the foyer and we have a nice open living space. Going straight through, I want to show you this amazing outdoor living space. It has a nice covered porch. This can still be screened in, and this is a nice big lot, as you can see. This neighborhood does allow privacy fencing. That would give you even more privacy. Coming around, we have this gorgeous kitchen with quartz countertops. It's one of our optional features that we've added. It's got nice subway tile backsplash. Really big walk-in pantry in this kitchen, and the cabinet space, as you can see, is very plentiful. I also want to show you this amazing storage space before we go upstairs. Okay, heading upstairs. As you can see, the nice window, the view of the woods midway up the stairs. It's got a ledge where you can put some plants. Gonna take us into the owner's suite first. Look at all the natural light in this room. Another thing I love about this house is that it has 2 walk-in closets. This one. It's got dual vanities. Stand-up shower with seat. There's our walk-in closet number 2. It's got additional storage here, the pull down stairs. Very spacious guest room here. Got our laundry space upstairs as well, so you don't have to go to a different level to do your laundry. Same level as all of your bedrooms. guest bath here, also with dual vanities. Coming back around to my right, you have your second guest bedroom. Really nice size bedroom here as well. Thank you all for joining me today and watching this video of our Metcalf showcase home. This home is available now. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just over 1,700 square feet, and it is priced at $258,000, a price that you cannot beat in today's market. For more information, see below my information, give me a call, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.